English speaking series day 8. Talk about your favorite food. Can you talk about your favorite food in English? Don't worry if you can't. Today you will learn simple English sentence to talk about your favorite food with confidence. Let's start speaking English. Food vocabulary. Learn these important words: rice, bread, chicken, vegetables, fruits, pizza, burger, biryani, salad, juice. Practice these words daily and use them in sentences. Real life speaking. Let's how we can talk about favorite food in real life. Person A, what is your favorite food? Person B, my favorite food is biryani. Person A, why do you like biryani? Person B, because it is very delicious. Person A, do you like fast food? Person B, yes, but I prefer homemade food. Use simple words and speak with confidence. Practice more, improve more. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. My favorite food is biryani. I like pizza. I love fresh fruits. I eat vegetables every day. I drink juice in the morning. Homemade food is healthy. I enjoy eating with my family. Healthy food gives us energy. Practice this sentence every day to speak English with confidence. Confidence challenge. It is your turn. Speak about your favorite food for 1 minute without reading. Challenge accepted? Yes or no? And remember, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. Homework. Talk about your favorite food in English for 2 minutes. Your challenges: speak clearly, use new words, and try to speak without reading and do your best. Practice it 5 times in front of mirror or record your voice. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you become. Excellent work! You are becoming a more confident English speaker every day. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in day 9 with another exciting English speaking lesson. Thank you for learning with me. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.